So you can see over here, I'm in one of my students' Clickbank accounts right now at this moment using TeamViewer. And you can see over here, he has made over $216 overnight with this three-step method that we are implementing together. Now you can see over here the date is 16th of October, and over here you can also see the time, and you can see the sales over here. So he has made the first $260 ever online using this method. Now let me show you what method we were using together. So over here you can see, let me make this image a little bit smaller. So here you can see the new way, the amplified method. So what is the amplified method? First of all, you know that there are many traffic sources, and what I mean by traffic sources are the platforms, for example, like Google, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, right? So those are the main biggest platforms that you can utilize and use as an affiliate, right? To make commissions, to make money online. So the steps that we took is, the first step is setting up the Facebook ad. So what we did is we focused and narrowed down on one offer, on one high quality offer, and also on one niche. So we did that by focusing on one niche only and one product only. Now then we set up the mini website, which is basically a landing page. And this is not a normal landing page that you see out there on many different YouTube videos. It's not a normal website, because normal websites don't produce great results. You need to have narrowed down audience, of course, and you have to target your audience with your site. Basically, your landing page is where people go. It's like a bridge, right? So you set up Facebook ad, people go from your Facebook ad to your landing page, where they basically get pre-sold on the idea, on the cost, on the concept, and on the product. And in the end, the third step is they putting down their credit card, debit card information, and purchasing your Clickbank offer, right? And you as an affiliate, you earn a commission. So how it works, you can see over here, we have the mini website. So the visitor clicks your affiliate link and buys, and you as a seller, as an affiliate, you get commissions and the seller gets money. So basically you as an affiliate get 90% commission, and vendor usually gets 10% commissions. So basically the front end sale, the biggest pie is yours, because you brought the customer to the vendor. Now I'm calling this the post-pandemic profits. Why? Because more customers are shopping online now more than ever during this pandemic. And you can see in many news channels, they report that the global e-commerce jumps to $26.7 trillion in sales because of COVID-19. So it's a really great time to utilize this, to use the leverage. Now, there are many different ways you can do it, but one of the best ways is with this three-step model. Now, of course, you have seen from other gurus on the Clickbank promoting the same three-step process. Yes, it works the same, but the most important thing is that you understand who is your targeted audience. And what we do is, I connect with my students one-on-one, and we set up the Facebook ads. So basically, I give them done for them mini website. I give them also done for them Facebook ads, ad copies that are working as well for me and also other people. And then of course targeting details, and what is the most important, hashed buyers list of the previous customers, of thousands of previous customers who have already purchased the product. And then we create a lookalike audience using Facebook ads, and then we target this similar audience. So we create a similar audiences of people who have already had the history of purchasing Clickbank products in that niche we are in, and then we promote them the similar offers. So this is why it works really, really great when it's narrowed down and when it's done with you, and not only you watching the video, of course, because I think that the best way to learn and also to get something done, because the most important thing is that we get something done together, right? So together we get something done. It means that you as a person, as an affiliate, when you sign up, you want to make money. So of course we connect one-on-one personally using, for example, remote software, which is free, called TeamViewer. And then we create the ad together. I give you templates, and then you get the website, and then we connect in maybe 1 hour or 30 minutes to create a campaign together, and then you can expect to generate sales. So this is how it works, of course, when we connect personally and you work with me. So if you have any more questions, please let me know below this video. There are going to be links to my social media channels, my email and my WhatsApp number, so you can connect with me one-on-one, and let's see if we can work together. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel so you can get more value-based information like this.